Right now, as you're watching this, your body is making a choice. Every single night, while you sleep, your muscles are either rebuilding themselves stronger or slowly dissolving away. And here's what the supplement industry doesn't want you to know. The expensive protein powders they're selling, you might actually be working against your body's natural nighttime repair system. If you're over 60, you've probably been told that muscle loss is just part of aging. That's not just wrong, it's dangerous. What's really happening is that your body has shifted into what scientists call anabolic resistance. But here's the breakthrough. Your muscles are actually more responsive to specific nutrients at night than they are during the day. The problem isn't that your body has forgotten how to build muscle. The problem is that after 60, your muscle-building machinery runs on a completely different schedule. During the day, your digestive system prioritizes energy production over muscle repair. But at night, specifically in the 3 hours before bed, your body switches into repair mode, and that's when the magic happens. What we are about to share comes from science, experience, and the deep wisdom of Barbara O'Neill, an internationally respected health educator and nutritionist who has dedicated her life to natural healing. She has spent decades teaching people how to use food as medicine, and what she discovered about nighttime protein utilization could revolutionize how you age. Here's your first breakthrough insight. Your body produces its highest levels of growth hormone and begins its most intensive muscle repair between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. But this process requires a very specific type of amino acid profile that can only come from whole foods, not synthetic supplements. And the timing isn't just important, it's absolutely critical. Your second game-changing discovery, there's a little-known biological process called amino acid pulsing that naturally occurs in seniors who maintain muscle mass into their 80s and 90s. This isn't about constantly eating protein throughout the day, it's about creating strategic waves of specific amino acids that match your body's natural circadian rhythm. Now just type hope in the comments if you're ready to feel like yourself again. And if this resonates with you, if your heart says yes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join our gentle growing community of lifelong learners. Let me explain exactly what's happening in your body right now. After age 60, your muscle cells develop what scientists call leucine threshold resistance. Leucine is the master amino acid that signals your muscles to start building. When you were younger, a small amount of leucine could trigger muscle synthesis, but now your muscles need a leucine spike, a concentrated burst of this amino acid to overcome this resistance. Here's where it gets fascinating. Your body's sensitivity to leucine actually increases in the evening hours. But synthetic protein powders deliver leucine too quickly and in isolation, causing what nutritionists call amino acid flooding, where your liver processes the excess instead of your muscles using it for repair. The solution lies in what Barbara O'Neill calls slow-release natural proteins. These are whole foods that release amino acids gradually throughout the night, matching your body's natural repair cycle. Your first transformative strategy is the evening amino cascade protocol. 2 to 3 hours before bed, you want to consume proteins that naturally contain high levels of casein or similar slow-digesting compounds. The most powerful combination comes from what traditional cultures call bone broths with evening herbs. When you simmer bones from grass-fed animals with herbs like chamomile or passion flower, you create a nutritional symphony. The gelatin and collagen provide glycine and proline, amino acids that become increasingly important for muscle maintenance after 60. The herbs contain flavonoids that actually increase your muscle cells' sensitivity to amino acids. Here's how to implement this every evening. About 2 hours before bedtime, consume 8 to 12 ounces of homemade bone broth simmered with calming herbs. Within 7 to 10 days, you'll notice improved sleep quality, a sign that your muscle repair processes are becoming more efficient. Your second breakthrough strategy involves circadian protein cycling. Most nutrition advice treats every hour the same, but your muscles follow an ancient biological clock. During sleep, your body shifts into positive nitrogen balance when you're building more muscle than breaking down. But this only happens with the right nutrients at the right time. The secret lies in combining slow-digesting proteins with mineral cofactors. Magnesium, zinc, and potassium work synergistically with amino acids only during certain nighttime hours. About 90 minutes before bed, consume natural protein combined with mineral-rich foods. Think cottage cheese with pumpkin seeds, or wild-caught fish with steamed leafy greens. This timing allows amino acids to circulate just as growth hormone levels rise, while minerals ensure muscle cells can actually utilize these nutrients instead of processing them through your liver. Your third game-changing discovery involves myokine activation. Myokines are proteins produced by muscle tissue that act like hormones. As we age, our muscles produce fewer myokines, creating slower metabolism, increased inflammation, and accelerated muscle loss. But certain natural proteins consumed before bed can stimulate myokine production during sleep through mechanical tension amino acid signaling. Wild-caught salmon, pasture-raised eggs, and grass-fed dairy contain the ideal ratios naturally, but only in whole food form. Your third transformative strategy is the myokine activation evening ritual. Choose one high-quality protein and pair it with absorption-enhancing foods. Perfect example, 2 pasture-raised eggs scrambled with fresh herbs, consumed 2 hours before bed with a small piece of avocado. This combination naturally stimulates myokine production and maintains muscle mass. Now let's address the gut-muscle connection. After 60, digestive changes dramatically impact protein absorption. Many seniors eat adequate protein but still lose muscle because nutrients aren't reaching muscle cells. Your digestive system has its own circadian rhythm with highest protein processing ability in early evening hours. Your fourth revolutionary strategy is digestive rhythm protein timing, shifting your most important protein intake to evening hours when absorption is optimal. But there's a specific technique, pre-digestive activation. Consume a small amount of fermented foods 30 minutes before evening protein, genuine sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir. These prime your digestive system for optimal protein processing. Here's something surprising. Your body's muscle-building ability isn't just about protein, it's about inflammation status. Chronic low-grade inflammation creates inflammatory interference with muscle protein synthesis. Even adequate protein can't be utilized by inflamed muscle tissue. This is where Barbara O'Neill's approach becomes revolutionary. Certain natural proteins have anti-inflammatory properties most active during nighttime hours. Your fifth breakthrough strategy is the anti-inflammatory protein protocol, choosing evening proteins with omega-3 fatty acids, natural antioxidants, or anti-inflammatory peptides. Wild-caught fish, grass-fed beef, or pasture-raised poultry all qualify, but preparation is crucial. Use gentle, slow-cooking methods that preserve anti-inflammatory compounds while making protein easily digestible. Your sixth transformative strategy involves hydration-enhanced protein delivery. Your muscle cells are 75% water, and proper hydration is essential for amino acid transport. During sleep, reduced urine production creates enhanced nutrient transport opportunity if you're properly hydrated without disrupting sleep. Consume evening protein with naturally mineral-rich water, spring water with a tiny pinch of sea salt, or water heated with fresh herbs. This ensures amino acids effectively reach muscle cells during overnight repair. Here's an advanced concept, protein synergy timing. Certain protein combinations create synergistic effects far more powerful than individual proteins. Your seventh breakthrough strategy is synergistic protein pairing, combining different natural proteins for complete amino acid cascades. Perfect example, wild-caught fish with a few nuts and grass-fed cheese. Each contributes different amino acids, creating more complete nutrition than any single protein. Consume these combinations 90 to 120 minutes before bed, in portions totaling 20 to 30 grams. Let me address a common concern, eating before bed disrupting sleep or causing weight gain. The truth is opposite. Proper evening nutrition improves sleep while supporting healthy body composition. Your body requires energy for muscle repair during sleep. Without adequate nutrients, it breaks down existing muscle tissue. The right evening proteins promote better sleep through tryptophan for natural sleep hormones, stabilize blood sugar, preventing early waking, and growth hormone support for better recovery. Your eighth revolutionary strategy is sleep-enhancing protein selection. Choose proteins naturally containing sleep-promoting compounds. Turkey, fish, eggs, and dairy all contain tryptophan plus other amino acids, supporting both muscle repair and sleep quality. How to know if your strategy is working? First, improved sleep quality and less morning stiffness. Second, increased morning energy and easier daily activities. Third, improved mood and mental clarity as muscle tissue produces brain-supporting compounds. Your ninth transformative strategy is progress monitoring without the scale. Monitor functional improvements, getting up from chairs more easily, feeling more stable walking, less fatigue during daily tasks. Keep a simple journal noting energy levels, sleep quality, and how your body feels. Within 2 to 3 weeks, most people notice significant improvements. Here's the ultimate insight: biological age reversal through protein timing. While chronological age can't change, biological age, how well your body functions, absolutely can. Proper nighttime protein utilization supports healthy hormone production, maintains muscle mass and bone density, improves metabolic function, and supports immune health. Your 10th and final breakthrough strategy is comprehensive biological age support. View your evening protein ritual as comprehensive anti-aging strategy supporting every body system. Choose proteins providing amino acids plus B vitamins, vitamin D, essential minerals, and beneficial fats. Prepare foods maximizing nutrient density while being digestively gentle. Create what Barbara O'Neill calls a therapeutic evening meal, nutritionally dense combination of high-quality proteins, supportive vegetables, and beneficial fats consumed calmly about 2 hours before bed. Your muscles maintain their ability to respond to proper nutrition throughout your entire life. Your body wants to be strong and vital. Every cell is programmed for health and resilience. Muscle loss isn't your body giving up. It's adapting to inadequate nutrition and signaling. When you provide muscles with right nutrients at right times, you're working with your body's natural healing capacity. You're giving muscles permission to maintain strength, support daily activities, and keep you independent and vital. The transformation possible when you align nutrition with natural rhythms is remarkable. Seniors implementing these strategies often feel stronger and more energetic than they have in years, maintaining independence longer and approaching aging with confidence. So pick just 2 strategies and commit to 7 days. Don't implement everything at once. Choose what feels most accessible, maybe bone broth ritual or synergistic protein pairing. Give your body a full week to respond. Pay attention to how you feel, sleep, and energy levels throughout the day. If this opened your eyes to new health possibilities, please thumbs up and subscribe. We're building a community of seniors refusing to accept limitations, committed to aging with strength, grace, and vitality. Remember, every night your body chooses whether to build up or break down. With right knowledge and nutrients, you ensure that choice always favors strength, vitality, and independence. Your best years don't have to be behind you. They can be right now and continue for decades to come. Your muscles are waiting for the signal to rebuild and regenerate. Tonight you can give them exactly what they need.